In this Daily Drop, I'm going to talk about an adjustable laptop stand that I think is finally solving a problem I have here in the studio. So let's go. All right, everybody, here we are, or at least here I am, on a Sunday for Monday episode of the Daily Drop, and been back about a week. Feel like I'm starting to settle in again and lining up some of the episodes that I want to do in the near future. It'll be a mix of things, but I definitely have a backlog on some kit that I want to talk about. So in this episode, what I want to talk about is a little bit of my setup here, because this is Command Central for the C47. And in the last year and a half, 2 years, I've been using an adjustable laptop stand, which basically goes onto a one-desk solution. You know, they have these things that clamp onto the desk. They have a vertical rod. This attaches to it. I can put the laptop on here. I can swing it into position. And guess what? It kind of sucks. Hold on. The reason that it kind of sucks is because it's constantly tilting, and I am constantly having to adjust it and tighten it so that it's in the right place, the right angle when I swing it out to work. And I just feel like it's very inefficient. So I've been looking for something different, and I think this is it. This is from a company. This isn't even a small rig or a newer with 2 E's or a Ulanzi. The name of this company, if it is the name of the company, is MC HOSE, so MC Hose, I guess. I've been looking for an adjustable laptop stand now for quite some time, and as with a lot of these things, it's a bit of trial and error. I've had some come in, they've been horrible. Other ones come in, they've been sort of okay. This one comes in a silver, a space gray, which is what I chose to match my MacBook Pro, and black. And this is apparently an updated design. In fact, when you go to the link I'm going to give you, if you want to check it out, you'll see that there are 2 versions of these in all of the colors. At least right now there are. But basically, you just lift this up to the height that you want. It's very tight. You can adjust this, loosen or tighten with hex screws or Allen keys, and then you just basically set it to the height that you want. Obviously, I'm up here on this little pancake right now, but that's neither here nor there. And then, boom, the laptop goes on there. Let me 86 the, well, actually here, I'll just move this over to here. So you can sort of see that you can adjust this to the height that you want. It's very sturdy, and then it also rotates. So if you need to put it on the table a certain way and adjust it, it has these clicking points here, which are pretty easy to go through, but at least it gives you some sort of audio indication. I don't know if it needed to have that click sound. It's lightweight, it's sturdy, it's about $30, $35 US. And if you need this kind of thing, this seems to be fitting the bill. Mine's going to basically sit over here to the side. So it'll sort of be over here when I'm not doing episodes. So I'll sort of leave it there, or when I'm doing episodes. And then all I have to do is just bring it out here when I want to work. And I'm liking it. I think it's pretty cool. I'll put a description to it in the description. Did I say a description to it in the description? Maybe I haven't arrived yet. I'll put a link to it in the description. And as always, don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.